How do I link two Apex accounts?
Hello, Apex Legends players. In today's tutorial, we will delve into a topic that's been commonly requested: how to link two Apex Legends accounts. This could be essential if you're a multi-platform player and you want to maintain your progress across all your devices. So, let's jump right in.
Is it possible to link two Apex accounts?
To set the record straight, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, EA and Respawn Entertainment do not officially support linking or merging of two Apex Legends accounts. This is an important fact to consider before we proceed. However, you can link your Apex Legends account to different platforms using the same EA account. This allows you to play the game across multiple platforms: PC, Xbox, PlayStation, etc., though your progress will not be shared between these platforms.
How to link Apex account to another platform?
To link your Apex account to another platform, follow these steps. 1. Go to the EA account settings. Start by going to your EA account settings. You can find this in the Game Settings menu. 2. Log into your EA account. You will need to log into your EA account. Make sure you use the same account where your Apex Legends progress is saved. 3. Link your platform account. Now, you can link your other platform account, like PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, Steam, etc. Navigate to the Connected Accounts section and add your other platform account. 4. Confirm the linking. A confirmation will be required. Accept it to finalize the linking. Remember, while this will let you play Apex Legends on different platforms using the same EA account, your progress won't be shared across these platforms.
What about cross-progression?
Cross-progression or shared game progression across multiple platforms is not supported in Apex Legends as of my last update in September 2021. The game's developers have mentioned it as a feature they'd like to add, but it is complicated due to potential issues with cheating and fairness. Therefore, while you can play the game on different platforms with the same EA account, your progress, levels, cosmetics, ranks, etc., won't carry over. In conclusion, while it's possible to link your Apex Legends account to different platforms using the same EA account, it's important to know that your game progress is not shared across these platforms. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to keep an eye on the official Apex Legends and EA websites for any updates on account merging or cross-progression. Until next time, Legends!